Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and find your Gumroad purchase email. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account from where you made the purchase. If you do not already have one and you want to make the purchase, just go and create one. So once you are logged in, this is going to be your dashboard you're greeted by. Where at the left side of the screen, we can find the library section. If you open up your library, this is where we can find all the purchases we made. As you can see, currently I have not bought anything, but if I did, it would appear right here. So let's go and follow this article right here in the official help center on how to access our purchases. So basically guys, you can access them from your receipt that you get on your email. So to access a digital product, you can pull up your email receipt, click the view content button to go to the product's download page. So this is how it's going to look like. You're going to receive it on your email once you make the purchase successfully. So if you have not received an email receipt, you want to check your spam folder, but if it's not there and you cannot find it anywhere, then you want to contact them. Contact the support, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it and how to get your email and your receipt and your purchase there are going to be available to you once you have successfully paid the money for it. And basically that is how it's done. Everything you're going to need is in your email. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.